So you clicked on this video, maybe you're just like me, you need to get your car inspected, or maybe you're just tired of getting dents in your rear quarter panel. You go and you look online for battery tie downs for an NA Miata. You see the insane prices on a battery tie down. We're talking $60, even $70, all for a battery tie down for this car. So you decide, nah, I'm just gonna try and make it on my own. So this is how I did it. It cost me about $10 to do it the way I did, so I'm going to show you how to do it so you can save a ton of money just like me. So we have this bracket here, that's OEM, and then this bracket up here. So this is how the OEM hooks up. However, there's also a bracket right here. So I'm going to tap a screw into there and use a generic battery tie down. Use the J hooks, J hook in there, push it down. That's the idea anyways. So I hope it works, that way I can actually get an inspection and my battery can stop hitting the outside of my car. But first I have to run to Advanced and go get a tie down. I will put a link in the description for the one that I used.
I have a crook in my back.
This should work fine. I'm gonna feel it out real fast in the trunk. So to get started, you're gonna need a drill, and you're also gonna need a step bit. I used a step bit that had the same diameter as the hooks that were going in. Didn't make the hole any bigger than the diameter of the hook. I made sure to use a towel to cover all the electronics. I also have the ability to shut off my battery, so I did that just on the safe since there's gonna be hot metal flying everywhere. Also, sorry for this terrible angle. I could not get my camera in there. There we go. You really did not have to make too big of a hole, just enough for the hook. What you should know about this is with the standard advanced auto tie down, the bolts are actually too long to fit in here in this section. They can fit. If you're able to grind them, that'd be really helpful. My grinder stopped working. So anyways, my grinder stopped working, so I had to change my approach. So what I did instead, I put the hooks in before the battery. So you'll actually see I forgot to put a bushing in right here. So I actually have to take the battery back out to get the wing nut on, because you need room. I'll show you here. See how when the battery is out, I already have the wing nuts in place, so that way I have a set max, so I don't actually pull it off. But you want it to be set like this already, and then slide the battery in. So just like that. Slide the battery in. Boom, just like that. And then you're free to tighten down the wing nuts as much as you can. Bruh. Okay, so you probably don't have to do this, but I'm actually missing a screw for one of my brackets, so I'm just going to use a self-tapping bolt to just put it in. I just figured I'd include it in case it was something that somebody else was dealing with, and maybe you needed a little more confidence to just drill into your car. I'll be honest, you just kind of have to go for it. Well, now I won't have any issues with my battery going from that side of the trunk to that side of the trunk.
Why?
I just did a battery tie-down kit. It's a little scuffed in some ways,
Well, the
but
battery was flopping around?
oh yeah, it actually came unplugged one time when I was drifting.
Okay.
It went from all the way over there to there.
Okay.
But now it's all fixed, and it was only $10.
Oh, that's
so
pretty good. Yeah.
there you go. So if you want to do a battery tie-down kit and you want to do it for $10 instead of $40 or $90, that's how you do it. Yeah.
I'd like to make that nice concrete slab.
Tempted.
I just forgot to turn my battery back on. Little jump scare, no issue. Yup.
the gunshots laser. High speed chaser, girls all taking. It's 2 a.m. way too faded. All I love is payment, rent and a statement. You know I love the gunshots laser. High speed chaser, girls all taking. It's 2 a.m. way too faded. All I love is payment, rent and a statement. I can't count too many times I've been chasing a house.